Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. Abeg, if today na una first time wey una dey watch dis my channel, make una no forget to subscribe, to like and to press the notification bell so that anytime when I upload video e go dey sound for una phone kpakam. And for this my channel, we dey upload everyday the latest aproko, the latest gist in town. So guys, anytime wey be say I upload, make una come dey join me, okay? So I go dey see una, make una bye bye oh.
So I can't tell them everything. So wetin they do me, and because each time he beat me, if they come, you could tell me say make I not talk anything, make I tell them say nothing they happen. If they still come, go beat me. I they tell you when I say beat them, you know one user I see me. So now I can't leave her since 3 days now. I can't deal with my own things. You understand? So what if they come, they tell me now, Today now they come this afternoon. They say make I hello mommy.
At the list.
Yes. So they can't say, say we now we never get document now. So we be they prepare. We also go on the 9th now. Maybe on Thursday we want to go questora again for the document. So what they come the day now? They were social come my side today where they put me first. They never separate us totally. They can't tell me say what is in my mind. So whether I will sit there with the man now or I will still continue. I want them on my own because
the man is from where?
Now Yoruba.
You are from where?
Me, I'm from Asian.
You are from Asian. Where in Asian?
Ekoma.
How many children you get for her?
I get 3 children, mommy.
You don't pay your bride price?
No, you never pay. Mommy, if they tell me say no, we're not waiting. If they tell me many things, say make I not pull up, say make I not marry me or lie. I can say okay. Everything what they do for Nigeria, answer now. What you can do? It's say lie. Say what they do? If they do for your children, not be me or me. I know they didn't do for your family and it the family for us. And the worst part, if I say I will tell and say, but say ever since now me they support you. And they tell you people how money they come. Then and they will say now they work and they
how much you they give her every month?
Mommy, I know they give her money, but now money when they now we they on that government now. So they give us money for children. But let them know say mommy time mommy say see how you see where
money where government give you now not take care of children, not they build us for Yoruba land.
Mommy, now even let me. You don't buy 2 land. You don't tell me. Even if I say since 2 years now, 2 years plus now, you don't buy the land. Up now you don't start the thing. I say okay, what of the land when you buy? Sometimes it will say you they mad. I know you. Why they tell now my mommy? Now you know how they suffer about me. They build that for my parents. So it would be, I will say what I can they do for your life since how many years? I will. You don't even want to let me talk at all. I can say, okay, the land, you don't use lawyer Tesana. It's what it concern me, concern. I say that they use lawyer Tesana. I say, yes, now, no matter now, you must be, lawyer must be away now. Mommy, everything, okay. Many things. The account when you send money, give now more than now. My man let me open the account. Now I can't the this even the land when he best now his parents now the name when he write for the land step mommy. They say now just their name, family name. He not even can't me join me and my children. Will they suffer for your mommy? Will they suffer? Will they suffer mommy? Clothes I don't get. Even with me and my children, will they suffer too much mommy? But I don't know. I just need harvest. Not only harvest, I just need from you. Because these people come my side this afternoon now. They come, but they still live for the house when they give us now. Now, 2 room hello, they give us. But because they say no single house for this city for boys. So now only they can't put me for somewhere first. They can't say, make I decide. Nothing tomorrow morning they will come back. Say if I say no, I don't want the money again because they beat me so much. And even this social care, they don't tire. Even people wait there here, they don't tire for her. They can say if I say no, so if we go commission, this is the last time they give us now, this on Thursday. If we go this last time, if they give us negative, but for them, they will go put me for another place, remove me for that. Me and the children, they will take care of us. But him, they not go fight for you again. Say they will deport and go Nigeria. So as they just tell me only that word today now, I just they think double things. They say make I give an answer. I can't say okay, I go think nothing tomorrow. So I they think now, mommy, I don't know what I want to do. I they confused. I don't know.
You see what they talk where come no ma fie o. Nigga marry over here worry.
Mommy, I don't know. Now every all your preaching on me, they cry for your preaching. They cry day and night. Now me, I they hear Bini well. I they hear I they speak, but not they speak. I they hear everything.
Now how old are you? How old are you?
Me now I be 31 years now.
Your husband how old he be?
Now 34.
Hey Joe, oga no me ya mugoju ohun no na gbo ogbohun gbe me Joe.
Mommy, you know the worst part. All your family now, all of them, he call him mommy say, me mama block me for food. Say, mommy, even the that last month, now when he beat me, they beat me. The next thing, will call my brother. And the worst part, I never tell my family what they go on, the way they beat me. Even the land when we buy, she not let me tell them. Say, see what they go on for. But you know, will carry if you call people say, if one they tell mama say, I better me talk to her. I go say, mommy, leave her. Now which now you mommy not talk for this matter, or you know me. If you talk, I know you know will see my colleague again. No, even a senior brother, I can't call my senior brother. I can't say uncle. I beg now. See what if your brother they do. Let me talk to her now. The next thing, they just come collect the phone from my hand. He say uncle. I beg no ever pick a colleague. No call and block her. Truth since last month till now. This senior brother never call me, but this senior brother say okay, yeah, well, I'll call you back now. Hold on, I there for church. But he tell me saying there for sure. At the same time, he just call his brother for my president. Two of them talk for almost 1 hour. And the same thing, after that one, with mommy discuss for almost 1 hour. Now me, be like that they send me for inside. Now me can't be deep because mommy, you see in mama, I see her like my mother. Could you believe that? The simple way I not fit tell my mother, I dey tell her everything. I don't see her like my mama, like my everything. But I never know saying that they use my head ever since. You understand? Me, I no girlfriend though. Me, I no girlfriend. I never friend for Nigeria right from time before I come out for Nigeria. You hear me, mommy? That's now it pay me so I don't go to invest me. I don't get anybody. I don't get anybody, mommy. That's what they tell you.
Who carry you come abroad?
Now one of my friends that time.
Where your friend now?
No, he not come abroad. Now one of my friends introduced me to the woman where he carry me come that time. Not be abroad, now Africa. Now Africa, inside Africa, all these French country that time.
You pay your mother?
Yeah, since now, you know, saying that see for the pay since. So now from there I come strong, but come out for there. When I pay, so people don't go back to Nigeria at that time. I say no, I want to try my best, make I move forward. Now so I take go up. Now that's Africa for me too.
I want to ask you one question. Yes. Just free your mind to reply me. Do you still love him, ma? You still love her?
Mommy, let me tell you something. But you know, say me several times I they come and they ask and say, what did they happen? I will come and say, I bet no matter anything, make we be like. And the worst part, I not be anything way they happen. You go they call your mommy, they tell her.
No, be that what I ask you. I ask you a question, yes or no? Do you still love him? Yes or no?
Mommy, the only problem where I take deal with her say, I don't want the waka, I don't want the boom for, I don't want to leave this one, go stay with another man. I only that one. That is why, mommy. I don't want my children come get step
but you still love her. Answer me. You still love her as everything be so. You still love her, yes or no?
Mommy, mama be not there again, because person where they die for, where they fight for, you know they fight for me. Now me they help and they give and work connection for work. Now me they help and they fight for documents, for everything at all. Now me they, but it not even value me, mommy. Not only that it make me there with, I want to just tell you so. I don't want the work and only that one.
Now when you start to they beat you, now when you don't finish your 3 children, be now when you buy one, now when you born one.
No, mommy.
When you start to they beat you.
You know, now since 3 years now you start to this beat now 3 years now you start to as they beat me will put them for call. Now truth at the time, mommy, believe me.
Your last born, how old?
My baby, he just complete 10 months now.
So you don't they beat you before you born, no that one give her.
Yes, so after I don't born one, after I don't, and when I get belly for the second belly, now it start to they beat me for my second baby.
Your second baby now start to they beat you. Don't go that marriage again.
Yes.
If you like me, mama not call you. They not even put money for your head. Not go again.
Okay.
And not go again. Okay, you are young.
Even since day before yesterday, now when I even leave her, you not even care for the children. When you go say I want come my children, I want hear from my children. No, like you not even come and say I'm my children now. Okay, give this one for my daughter. Nothing like that. Though. You not even get any feeling at all, mommy. Anything. If for my baby get my first daughter, if I use my baby for, you go come collect her from my hand. If I say okay, let me I want to take my baby charger, take charge my phone. No problem. You go come collect and you come they turn the children back against me.
Now come off for where they put you now. Tell government say make it do on you, make it do on your own. Okay? If you pity and that's all you go kill you through away. Almost 2 people that don't kill Jamie this year. My way they beat you, man, kill go kill you. You go just die. Your children go there with government. Your eye go make clear.
He don't talk everything. He said prison not be progress. He go fit go prison. That one he go come back. Come they take care of his children.
My way they open man say he go kill you, go prison. You not gonna say na Christmas be.
Day before yesterday, now God save me. I come they shout God. Now He save me. He said now under a seconds now because we dey European. Now He make am. If na dey under a second, if for just keep it do like be like lion for me. You know when lion they do like when I don't know how to talk. When person they will tiger for us now. That's why they do me. If he come out, I see I say they come back for us. When they come back, now my heart go they beat. If I hear say it knock for door, it don't enter us. Even the children know they play where everywhere would they quiet, they would they silent. If I ask my baby, say, I beg me to breathe that thing, the baby will say, no, I'm afraid. I cannot go. I'm scared. Because the father is there.
I say,
Mommy, say
no go again. Save your life. Not the talk like say you did 18 years. No go again. If you say more, I said to tell us, say, may go pay your bride price.
Okay, Mommy.
I'll make it sign for police station. The day where you go touch you again, may the deporter. Without that, you no agree. Tell her say you don't talk to Mommy Yore. Mommy Yore say no. You not go again.
Okay, Mommy. And again, what did they come they talk now? They come say if it happen, say if they say make tomorrow now I go sign. Say whether I will still go back or not. They say if I said no, they will give us another apartment, me and the children. They will
say
put
no.
them for somewhere.
That one not concern how they want to do and save your life and your children. Okay?
Okay.
That day, Ghana man kill one
Mommy.
Nigeria person. That day, Igbo kill one Nigeria. That day, one Benin man kill his wife. Save your life. Tell them tomorrow, say no. You don't want to stay with them again.
Okay, Mommy.
So that the
Okay,
money that they
Mommy.
pay the children go to enter your hand. Not follow and beat us again because you never pay money. You never put money for your head.
Mommy, I don't leave am several times. I don't separate am several times. So you understand? Even when now you come back me, so maybe we come back. He say
No, this one not agree again. Your children don't complete. That's what they born and rich. Not agree again. Stay on your own.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, Mommy. Yes.
They follow me. If you need a man, a full live video here. Not go.
Mommy, I dey follow you since 1 year now. Inside last year, now one of my auntie give me your this thing, your the nurse water ministry. Say make I add you for this thing, make I dey follow you, they pray. Because of this problem, because of this, to know say the problem don't too hot. Before I can't lost my phone since that time. No be today e start. Everybody don't talk to her. The more you dey talk to her, the more you go dey laugh me say I don't dey tell people, make people come dey help me dey beg her now. I go dey tell people make they come dey help me dey beg her. You say you go dey tell her say I don't want am again. Tell her make it go. Mona tell her make it go. I don't want am again. I don't want am again. Now so you talk. You know they heard them. The worst part, you know they heard them. If me and to pass for that our street now.
Okay,
problem.
now I
All
want
the
ask you
black
question now. Listen. If he can't ask you tomorrow, now he can't lead down, beg you, say may you come back. Will you go back? You go come dey cry, lead down.
Mommy, he don't do attire. No, you know this one. So before I born this my last baby, so I don't feel separate from her. And they can't give me ass. He can't lay down the beg. Not be saying only. In my mama will be say, you know they support me ever since. Mommy can't they call me. All of them can't they call me. They beg me. So he can't they send all these Yoruba people for our area. I can't they send. They made they can't they beg me. He can't they lay down the beg. He swear heaven and earth. He swear. I know in my presence, he swear Bible, he open Bible, he swear everything. If you ever touch me again, and after that one, if you ever kiss secret for me again, everything what would they do for Nigeria, he go open up to me, tell me everything. Now, yo, as he come back, nothing today they talk. He say, if you say I be you know, no say na sense that they use for this road now. He say now because of paper, you know, not because of paper, just they follow you. Because if I leave you like that now, and paper will work for me, now these children, now they will give me paper. If they talk now, so now this children will give my paper. He say if you not feel happen like that, and if they not feel give my paper, I ain't go women for outside.
May go carry
women.
May go carry not be you. Save your life, okay? After all, 3 children,
like
they build house.
Like me,
not be say not even get money to marry you, but he get money to build house.
Money there, yes, so yes, he get money even what they do for us. But you know how much. You know how much they say they go out. If person one married person say 1 million, say no, you know, reach 1 million. But what if they tell they do something for us? Everything na person we really ready. If me and they tell her about marriage, it go be like say at the first time. Anything I try to sit down, make we discuss as man to man, as husband and wife. He go say, I don't they try to they beg and say make it they like me. That's not shameful to me. What are they telling mommy? I not tell any of my family. Until today, I don't know how to open mouth. Tell my family. I don't know where I want for start from. Now shame my they share. I don't get friends where I want to talk to because of shame.
Me, I don't advise you as a sister, as a mother. Stay for where
yes,
they can. If they ask you, even though they said that one can go not consign you, save your life. Okay? Na easy ga.
Okay.
Easy ga no.
Oh yes, oh yes, mommy.
Na
yes.
Easy ga. You not consign you, save your life and your children. May your children not come suffer tomorrow.
Yes, mommy. Okay. As I don't hear from you now, I will take your advice. God bless you, mommy. Osati, well, God bless you. Well, say. God bless you, ma.
Now, wow. Kwabege mi no sunu ikpia. Kwabege go. Agboko we webo. Agboko we webo. Agboko. And they we made a mistake. Okpia. Mamu gojo wo wa bi omoka, wa bi kpogeva. Wa mo ebori obo we menijore. Iwa bi ome ya no kpia na no gumero we ewe marriage. Temata. Wa mo ebori. Even me awe marriage ne mo we no hold on. Yes. Iye mi no see. Mo gbe bata mo ikunu we na ka me ebe 14 ye me no. Me o we no hold on. Amo ke vanya ngwa. Oh, wow. Salobo ame no lao. Ori de no tani maya. Ori enwani ma. Mana ame nwa bia take advantage we. The same thing. Why we to mo asha? Why we wa to mo? Or what take advantage we re ne go mafia o. Eh. We no matter dem we go jo wo hu no wa no bonu we ge one era we la o. We gwa bi abo we yedo. Kosi yen we yen ri e wo ni mi no mi. Dori e we o wa o ka o. Tiri children mamu go ju ohun. We mangi ye go ma mo gbe no yare we. Anoba 2 we tama we yen ri e we. Me men gwa ni ko ni bu na me de mistake ye. O pe na yen ri u wa wa mu ji. I don't know why. Why you people are like this? We are not we marry what you jeba. Huh? We marry we. What you jeba? Iko dike wa jono ya me nwa. Ipia wa be jona me nwa. A government ga ila relationship neve ya noni ofo. Oni ofo. E wona ni maje ma yare dogwali go. E zo mare dogwalo. E mi ame mare dogwalo. E oge mare igo ma ya dogwa adogwalu mama gbima. Sister ave rich man ire wi ma ya ka ego no roto ne do. E mana adi were madu an rejigbima ni bi gwa bi ama. Yo jima yare. Uga e woman love okwu oge ki oge. Adi I be tamu ga ma need to wa be o. Ma be understand you. O pe gwara nu tama we wi yeri ewo ogele abiele ye ba. Uge no gun banana. Ugbe mo rere na eri enu na we gbe be BF we.
So sati we mama e pani me beg go we fi say we so we no be kin ogani of your money of your big be ni ami omo I will me be o wa yan wa mi e video ya do bega na why ni we rusu no we protect e kiri no ma kin like be because na ya ma why no kin afi won ni sa e lele gi san ro e kini a separate yan and I will take o wa ma we ya boys on mama because who no big be or even no kan ya lela wa social ni kan ya sick no je no use them when ya because there's a better to have via ye money be okay have a default body and where having money work because on money we woni yes setting we pa we maybe ogbo kan is question is separate yan pa no work on pa no work we wa like any wa work we no go siko yi we do ya bunyin ni papa mama wa gogo yo so no make na live life for ogbe wa edopa wa gogo yo ti we ka ma we no do ami bi so ti do ami bi here we ti we mo ade wa ya threaten so we no na ti si age ne ga igbe o hin ati we we di ori so no wa wo ge ogle gbe wa dopa so ti ami bi obi yo ba ni o wa lo ti man kaka bo wa ju se
no wa lo
I we ni be dey tell mama take call
ko we say e we say be advice we no we ri ne ohun ya mo ejo wa ti ya threaten we o metire do ami bi ka ma ku ka mi ya we no do ami bi be we ri kun enyu ne o mo poge no okay drop you wa bi o me ne ite by the grace of God who came you pia obugbe mo mi. Hello, ije no ge wa talk be we seje. Hello, God bless you.
Thank you.
Koje.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, me mom because when I weekend, ma, oh yeah, go about I was you'll be 30 years because why do you work for one? Why do you work for one? No. It's not good now.
Abe lu no ron pa bo yen bet. Owu gbe mi ni pa me bo yen jiwo.
Owu
gbe mi ni.
Body good for this bit, eh?
My baba.
Baba one of Manchester. I put the way many agaga. I talking about. What power are they? Who are telling you? West Baba. Who are power power no anything. This is the socket. Daosa. First lady. We love DJ. I go the fishy DJ. Ogelo se many agaga. Organic nation and the Yagaga. Why ya Mommy, you're an eganoga. Mommy, you're a one of Paris. Ogolo se megenie. Eseni umeyeme. Wese oyeme o. Salt and water ministry. Rita Yemi o momeniye. Iya to one. Yolo se. Ura so wa yotera domeo. Iya dome no enete. Rita Yemi talk show. Ese no ge. From Victor me no teme. Men white talk show me yagala. Wese o baba. O talking. Ikeke we kore. Mafia tipi we yeah. O saga sa wese. Benuya diame. Benuya yo boy yo yeke. Nothing. Ege hide koha. Madam Gladys. Amadi Constantine.
Hello, God bless you.
No.
Ise o site where.
Como me werie no banaba.
Junior Ajayi, a 24-year-old apprentice, said
we call it the woman.
Call your man to your, ya kwama to your wife, come away, and I was a marrow, and I walk away.
They may not am aware. What am I aware?
When you want it on any aparo to a bunny or okay, saying or betting a waro to me.
Okay, we money do your
Oh, we money day, Ginny, so lao ye, una me, or manori 45 lao ye, no
ma.
Lao ye.
A problem here.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
All right, bye-bye.
Oh, wow. Mama, ugu le lovi okan. I want to 45 years old, ma wo se. Who be this?
Mommy, you are talk by my man. I will allow me to no buy you talk. Yeah, lie one day.
Hello, brother. Me call outside where. Ikwe we bo manage joke be in Nigeria.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware